Alright, son, let's start by fixing this wall. We need to make sure it's smooth before we paint it. Could you hand me that piece of wood, please? It's over there. Sure, Dad. Here you go. Dad, you know, I was thinking, and I have a question. Dad, do you know why do people have to work so hard in life? That's a good question. People work hard because it's how we achieve things. Work helps us provide for our families, learn new skills, and make a difference in the world. It also gives us a sense of purpose. Imagine if we didn't have any challenges. Life would be too easy, and we wouldn't grow as individuals. Hard work teaches us to be patient, strong, and responsible. Plus, when you work hard for something, you appreciate it more. I guess that makes sense. But what if someone doesn't know what they want to do with their life? That's actually pretty common. Many people don't know right away what they want to do. The important thing is to explore different things and learn about yourself. Sometimes you find your path by trying new experiences and seeing what makes you feel excited or fulfilled. It's okay to change your mind, too. Life is about finding what makes you happy and where you can contribute to others. The key is to keep moving forward and stay curious. Hmm. So it's okay not to have everything figured out yet? Absolutely. Life is a journey, not a race. It's more important to enjoy the process and learn along the way than to rush to the finish line. Everyone moves at their own pace. And what's important is that you keep growing and discovering what's meaningful to you. That makes me feel better. But that why do some people seem happier than others? Well, happiness isn't always about what you have, but how you see the world. Some people choose to focus on the positive things in life, even when things are tough. They practice gratitude, which means being thankful for what they have instead of worrying about what they don't. Also, people who are kind help others and build strong relationships, often feel happier. Happiness is about mindset and the choices we make every day. It's not something that just happens, it's something we create. I see. So it's more about how you think than what you have. Exactly. Money, success, and material things can bring temporary joy, but true happiness comes from within. It's about finding peace with who you are, appreciating the little things, and making a positive impact on others. The happiest people are usually those who find meaning in their lives. whether it's through their work, family, friends, or helping others. That's really interesting. Do you think everyone can be happy or not? I believe so, but it takes effort. Everyone has challenges, but how you respond to them makes all the difference. Some people face very difficult situations, but they still manage to find joy because they choose to focus on the good. It's also important to take care of your mental and physical health. Build supportive relationships and do things that make you feel fulfilled. Happiness is like a garden. You have to tend to it regularly to see it grow. Wow, there's a lot to think about. By the way, Dad, why do people sometimes feel lonely? They feel lonely even when they are not alone. Do you know why that happens? Loneliness is a feeling that comes from not feeling connected to others or understood. You can be in a room full of people and still feel lonely if you don't feel like you belong, or if you're not able to share your true self. It's important to have meaningful connections where you can be yourself and feel supported. Sometimes people feel lonely because they haven't found their tribe, the people who share their values and interests. It's important to reach out, build connections, and remember that everyone feels lonely sometimes. It's part of being human, but it's something we can work through by connecting with others. So it's not just about being around people, but about feeling connected to them. Exactly. Quality matters more than quantity when it comes to relationships. It's better to have a few close friends who really understand you than to be surrounded by people who don't. Building strong, supportive relationships takes time and effort, but it's worth it because those connections can help you through tough times and add joy to your life. That makes sense. That do you think everyone can find people they connect with? I do. It might take time, and sometimes you have to step out of your comfort zone. But there are always people out there who share your interest, values, and experiences. It's important to be open and willing to meet new people. And remember, it's okay to take your time and let relationships grow naturally. Just be yourself, and the right people will come into your life. That makes sense, but that how do you know if you're making the right choices in life? That's a tough one. Sometimes you don't know right away if a choice is the right one. What's important is to make decisions based on your values, what feels right to you, and the information you have at the time. It's also okay to make mistakes. They are a part of learning. You can always adjust your path if something doesn't work out as planned. Trust your instincts. Seek advice from those you trust. And don't be afraid to change course if needed. Life is about learning and growing, not about being perfect. Remember that. That makes so much sense. But now that I've got a really awkward question, a really awkward question. Okay, go ahead. Why do adults always tell kids not to do something, but then sometimes do it themselves? Isn't that kind of unfair? I mean, that usually happens and you perfectly know that. Mm, well, son, that's a really good and tough question. Sometimes adults make mistakes too. And even though we try to set a good example, we don't always succeed. It's not about being unfair, but more about being human. We're all learning and trying to do our best. But you're right, it's important for adults to practice what they preach. Sometimes we don't realize we're doing it, and it's something we need to work on. So, yeah, we can also make mistakes. So, it's okay to remind you when you're being a little bit hypocritical. You know what? Yes, it is. As long as you do it respectfully, it's good to keep each other in check. We're all in this together, learning from each other. We never stop learning, even adults. I see. I have to say, I have more questions to ask that. Why do people often feel the need to exaggerate their achievements on social media, for example? That's a good one, son. Why don't we let our subscribers answer that question? Yeah, why do people often feel the need to exaggerate their achievements on social media? I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.